Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nimra and I am a student of MS Biotechnology. Today I'll be presenting on programmable logic control as it is a part of our course of chemical industries and climate change. Here I will discuss the basics of programmable logic controllers, its role in chemical industries and impact on sustainability. So let's begin. First of all, introduction to programmable logic controllers. A programmable logic control is an individual, industrial based specialized computer system that controls and monitors connected devices. PLCs automate processes, machine functions, or entire production lines by making real time decisions and ensuring the proper operation. They are also essential in industrial automation, providing error free, accurate results and increasing efficiency and productivity, which ultimately reduces the labor cost. Furthermore, automation of manufacturing processes and automation system. PLCs operate without human interference, ensuring error-free and accurate results. They also increase the efficiency and productivity of the processes, reducing the labor cost. It also offers real-time adjustments and is essential for running a manufacturing plant. Real-time process adjustment. PLCs also collect data directly from manufacturing machines and analyze it for reporting and decision making, as it is a very quick process. So, now let's discuss the components of PLCs. Let's have a look at the diagram. Here is power supply, central processing unit, memory, programming device, and many more. It contains a microprocessor that interprets input signals and carries out control action. Then there comes a power supply unit. It converts main AC voltage to low DC voltage. The other one is programming device, which is used to enter the required program into the memory of the processor. Next is memory unit. PLC store the control program and data from inputs for processing and outputs for communication. Input and output sections. Processor receives the information from and communication information to external devices by communication interference. PLCs PLC is used to receive and transmit data on communication networks from or to other remote PLCs. Next, the types of PLCs. There are two types of programmable logic controller systems. The one is fixed or compact PLC, in which all components are housed in a single unit and are suitable for smaller applications. The other type of PLC is modular PLC, and this the components are separate modules that can be added or removed, and they are suitable for larger and more complex applications. That was all. Thank you. And special thanks to Dr. Hammad Majeed for his excellent guidance throughout this course. Thank you so much.